Good day, I am Neil Fidel G. Lumibao, 20 years old from the province of Laguna. Sangguniang Kabataan should be reformed. The objectives of institutionalizing the Sangguniang Kabataan are, first, to involve the youth to policy making for the betterment of their locality that will contribute to nation building. Second, is to inculcate values such as accountability and transparency to brilliant young minds who will be the future leaders of our society. And third, is to have maximum youth participation through youth-led activities and campaigns. Apparently, there are issues like corruptions and political dynasties that impede the Sangguniang Kabataan to serve its purpose. But these impediments should not hinder the government's goal on maximizing the capabilities and optimizing the potential of the youth to create a positive change. As such, to solve the said issues, a strong connection to the Commission on Audit must be established. There should be an external arm to ensure transparency of the said office. Also, the National Youth Commission should be at the forefront to ensure maximum accountability of each officers by creating a special committee in monitoring the Sangguniang Kabataan. This, I believe, will put an end to the said issues. Dr. Jose Rizal's words still hold true, that the future of our country lies in the hands of the youth. Thank you.